Hello everybody, welcome back to One to Step. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can ask questions on Tinder. So to get started, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now the user face will appear somewhat like this. Now from the appeared interface, what you gotta do is simply go ahead to your chat section. Now all the chat will be available in here. Here it will also show all the matches that you have matched on Tinder. So in order to ask a question, what you have to do is just get matched with someone on Tinder, and to get matched you just have to like each other. Once you guys are matched, you can go ahead and chat with them and ask any question of your choice politely without using any vulgar word. And that's all guys, this is how easily you can ask questions on Tinder. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.